And you can be always star. Singing in my 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's and then.
Okay, I'm recording.
What is it?
So introduce yourself or say whatever you're going to say.
Where's the start button? Where's the start?
It's like the play button.
3 circles?
The play
It's
button.
the play button.
What?
No, it's the other one. Yeah, power.
Okay.
Hit the start button. You can turn it on.
Wait for her. He hasn't introduced himself yet.
Okay. And then you can hit it again to turn it off. And then you can introduce yourself and turn on the washer.
But that do should be in the episode.
Yeah, I know. He can hit it again. Hit the button again. It'll turn it off. Okay. And
Okay.
now you can introduce yourself.
But the light inside it's on
Okay, it'll go
now.
off in a sec.
Okay, wait for that to go off and then start whatever you're going to start, Alex.
Ooh. Ooh. Actually, wait, I need to get something. Dad, here. Oh, this, need to get something.
Okay, I'll just stop it until it has started. We can edit out any parts you don't want.
So finally, we're back. Mom, get out there.
If you close the door, the camera can't see you.
Get out here, Mom!
Is she distracting you?
Get out of my sight! Get away! Away!
Just back up 2 feet. Do you want me to get away too?
No. Actually, yes. Get away, Dad.
Okay, it's all recording. Do your thing.
So, I'll probably need some help turning on the washer, but tied. Actual tied. Anyway, so let's flip 1 tight button, 2 tight button, then turn it on. Turn on. And now, someone! Help! It's not turning on!
The play button.
No, the other one.
Oh, the other one. Not the play button.
Mm-hmm.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, now it's working. There, close it. Close. Now what, this?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's working now. Finally, can someone put this away now?
Got it?
I think we'll probably be back with the Pepsi. Probably, I don't know. What's this? Ow. That didn't make. Come on. Stop recording. Stop recording!
Because it's towels. But for everything else, we do those in cold or warm.
Mom.
Are you recording?
Mom.
Yes.
Why are you doing it? Get out! Get out!
I was trying to fold stuff. I thought you were done for now. This is, look how long this is going to take. 2 hours.
Don't touch the lens.
But when it's done, remember it sings its song. So you can come in and take the stuff from the washer, and you can even put it in the dryer. But you must wash your hands first, because there are our towels, and our dish towels, and our napkins. That's actually why I put it on the super hot temperature. To make sure they get extra clean. But when you put them in the dryer, you can just put them in, close it, and turn it on. Same way you did the washer. And that's what you're going to do with your clothes, too. If you want to wash your own clothes, you just fill it up with your own clothes. You put the Tide Pods in. If it's totally full, like this one was, you can put in 2. If it's only half full, you put in 1. And then you hit the start button. That's it. Super simple.
Mom.
But we do not put anything alive in the washing machine.
Yay!
That
Put the
includes
camera.
Miley, Mike,
Put the
fish,
camera. Put the camera.
frogs, whatever.
Put the camera in.
We do not put electronics in the washing machine.
Do we put areas inside it?
What?
Areas?
Areas?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Area of air.
No. We do not put rocks in the washing machine. We check our pockets before we put stuff in. That includes cell phones and iPads.
No, you know what?
We don't put our friends in the washing machine.
You know what,
We
actually,
don't
Mom?
put babies in washers.
Mom?
What?
One of my pairs of pants had to walk in it for a long, long time, and you were just washing it.
Well, let's try to avoid that if we can.
You notice what I'm doing right, Mommy?
Hopefully you're just pretending to record.
Look on the screen of the camera.
No, I'd rather not.
Look.
Okay.
Look.
I know.
Mommy's in the video.
Let's send you fun. Video is sending. Ending my one fun. 2023.